Okay. It's another new day. Welcome to the one trade. This is the one. So this channel is for my personal trading journal visual. So I think it makes more sense to like doing recording so that not only I can see my trading behavior and price action, but also I can see my status like my emotional, like how I react or something. So all my trading action and all the adjustments like change the position like how to draw the trend line or any technical assistance drawing that will be reflected. So this is not for investment advice something. This is just for personal recap. Okay, today is December the 3rd. 10:48 a.m. PST. Now, it looks like we missed another million. This is a great uh bullish something, a liquidity sweep. Um, Let me see the 30 minute. Okay, double bottom and try to do liquidity sweep and then moving up from 30 minute candle that we can see. And I believe for ES is the same thing. But for ES, we look at a bigger time frame. It's still 30 minutes, but the candle we just see a bigger picture for the past like 10 days. And overall, the market is going up, and this time there's no any news. But who knows? Not any news, so the market is intended to going up. Okay, and this is obviously a support level that has been tested multiple times, but it does not make sense that we talk about it because we have missed that. I'm not sure if they're gonna retest this again. Um, yeah, since this is the rage, and what about 30 minutes? Oh, for ES it's like a sideways, but for NQ it's like going upward because it has breakout and this resistance becomes the new support. This is pretty standard, so they are not in the same range as ES. So they are going for the side. So now they enter into the battlefield somewhere here, around here. Let me see. Yeah, this is the battlefield. This is the battlefield. So they just enter into battlefield. So I'm not sure they will get rejected because there's no bullish news or event or something. So there are probably some sellers are waiting here and they got rejected. So if that's the case, we get the downward covering candle, then that's the opportunity to go short. Otherwise, I'm not sure. This is this is something like support, partial support, and it's not that strong. You can see this is strong. So so if we go short, we'll probably take profit here, and if it keeps continues down and something, we will probably like take profit at 0.6 something. And I don't expect it reaches this again. If it reaches the support level, then I'm looking for opportunity to go long. So this is the trading plan. And obviously, I will not do any trade here because it's in the middle. Anything can happen. So I will wait until the price action arrives here and see capture something. So if there is a downward candle around here, then there may be a trap. It's gonna continue. So it could probably be a trap because this is not in, I don't know. But this is 30 minute. Let's see 5 minute. Not gonna do any trade in the middle. But for ES, it's already breakout. It's not like, hey, there's a resistance level or something. So it's breakout. I'm not sure if it's the new high. Let me see. Time frame. Hours. Oh, it's not the new high. It's just outbreak. Yeah. New high is somewhere here. But yes, it's is breakout. It looks like, yeah, it's breakout. And close. Probably close here. But it does not make too much sense to see 4 hour. If you're gonna do one day trading, then 30 minutes or 1 hour, that makes most sense. 4 hours too far away. Minute 30. So 5 minutes help me to determine if there's an opportunity to go. Um, Good time to go into a trade. And 3 minutes help me determine exactly like where should I go into a trade. So let's see here. So this trend line today, it looks like it follows this trend line. And what's that? If we draw the upper bound, oh, we can see that the upward momentum is decreasing. See here is upward, something like this, but upward momentum keeps decreasing. So probably there would be a reverse. Let's see, 30 minutes. Okay, battlefield. So if there it starts to revert here, I mean, anytime between among this range, 640, 650 to like 670, 20 points. So if it reverse here, I will not be surprised because the upward momentum keep decreasing, but I will not go short right here because this is obviously a uptrend. There is no sign to indicate that, okay, you're gonna go down. So I will wait for the confirmation signal. And I think same thing for yes. Let me see. See, this trend line is still valid. They bump up. I don't see any down downtrend start. Need to wait for the clear signal. Oh, we'll see. So even it retests to ENA 21, then I will not say, hey, it starts to down because it can be bump up anytime. You need to outpace ENA 21 and then retest to somewhere to ENA 9 and then start to show another like downward covering candle. Then I will go short. Otherwise, this is very easy to trap you to go short. See, hey, it breaks, it close beneath the trend line. Hey, downward candle. Now this is price action. You know, the smart money just track levels. It does not break out of this one. So probably that it will be bump up. We'll see. For 30 minutes, Yeah, we cannot conclude. This is still a bullish candle. Mm, yeah, cannot conclude. It's just this is a battlefield, price level, something here. We would like to see some candle becomes bearish, like red. Okay, keep watching. Be patient. Even we think, okay, you're gonna go, so there are so much space. So we want to wait for confirmation, and there will be always retest. So we wait for retest to jump in. It really depends on where the retest starts. Then we can see if this is still like uptrend or it's like downtrend. If it breaks about here, then potentially is downtrend starts. I will wait for like retest to somewhere here and go short. Mm. Okay, it arrives at ENA 21. Let's see the defense. It reaches ENA 21 multiple times before, so ENA 21 is the real foundation to provide the support. Okay, defense. Mm. But the trading volume is pretty small, and the opening market is huge. That's scare. A lot of fair value gap here from here to here, and I feel like this is just refilling the fair value gap because this is a huge fair value gap. What happened? Something. Um. Okay. See. The behavior on ENA 21. See the behavior for ENA 21. Okay. Bounce back, which means ENA 21 is still valid. So probably I will go long around here. If we retest back to ENA 21, I will go long. If it does not retest, okay, just let it go. ENA 21 is still valid. That means I need to revise my trend line, which means, okay, it's not aggregated to the peak. So we're gonna be more patient. But this range is small enough that it's not worth any trade. Yeah, it's aggregating, it's sideways consolidating, etc., etc. So we need to adjust something. We can see, okay, it's trying to aggregate it. Oops. It's trying to aggregate it. And this space is small enough. It's not worth any trade. Never enter into never enter into a trade during the sideway. This is currently in the sideway. So we'll wait for the breakout. See, for upward breakout, um, yeah, it's very difficult to check upward breakout. So I will see this is a battlefield. If I need to go long, then I need to wait until this obviously breakout and then retest and somewhere here or somewhere here and show resume like upward covering candle. Then I can go. Yeah, I can go long again. Otherwise, yeah, this is a setup. So now it's 11. Oh, 2 hours. So chances are that I don't have a time to go into a trade today. I'll probably let it arrive here. It's aggregating. I'm not sure how much you're gonna aggregate. But now ENA 21 is still effective, which means it's still uptrend. Cannot go short. Why cannot go long? Because it's in the upper bound, arrives at the upper bound of a battlefield. Here. So I cannot go long in the uptrend, but I cannot go short because there is no any signal. Let's see. Keep going up for this candle. Oh, for ES is aligning the previous something, but for NQ is a little bit slowed down. So mm, is aggressive entry if I go short here at 643 because we are not sure about behavior on ENA 21. So the risk is something like this, and the reward is realistically something like here 42 something. It's not even 20 points. Okay, forget about it. Nor was the risk. Okay, so it looks like this 5 minute candle is, let's say 3 minute. Oh, for 3 minute, it does not reach here, something, something. So it shows the upward. It still shows the upward. Yeah, it enters into the previous support of this battlefield. So this is the resistance previous support is current resistance. Seems like. Hmm. Now ES is trying to go down while NQ is trying to go up. It does not mean anything as long as nobody break out. Both ES and NQ are still in the range, so does not indicate anything. And today I don't see any ES NQ divergence. Like they are on the same page, so no indication anything. Mm. Mm. Okay, so this is a pretty weak upward candle, 5 minutes. So if this ends up to be a bearish candle and cover the previous like bullish candle, then I think it's a good chance to go short. But it looks like it's just accumulating power and keep going up. No, okay, looks like it's accumulating power, huh? But I cannot go long here because for go long, realistically, I can only expect here. And the loss is potentially here. I mean, even it falls back to here, I will not think, okay, there's something, this is the trend reversal. So I will keep holding until it's something. So I lose a lot. So this is in the middle of the range. I should not go into a trade. I will observe the complexion of this candle because it's not that long, it's just a week something. So if this one want to cover it, that's easy, I think. Uh, there are 3 minutes left. Let's see. Yeah, you cannot just say, hey, it arrives here. See, it can push back anytime, which means even the ENA 9 is a valid defense. Cannot go short just because it arrives here. I need to see it close and cover this candle. That gave me more confidence. Now it is getting pushed back. That's how the market trying to trap people. Yeah, keep going up. Mm. So somebody said, okay, what if I go aggressive entry and go short from here, or maybe go long from here, go long from here. Both are very aggressive to me. And the thing is that once you enter into a trade, then you have bias towards your old direction. You cannot see the direction objectively. So maybe you make a little money because you apply appropriately the trading stop loss. So even the direction is not correct, but you miss the huge part. You cannot enter when the huge momentum happens, and you still because you still have bias on your old direction, on your trade direction. So yeah, do not enter into a trade easily until you have some confidence, some level of confidence. Okay, it seems that it arrives at this level. Previously get rejected here. And let's see. This is so I will not be surprised it struggle and even eventually break out, but I will not take this one and go long from here. And I will wait obvious breakout and retest somewhere here and resume upward. Then I will go long. Um, yeah, but this is already the upper. So once it shows some downward covering candle, then I'm gonna go short. I just wait for the downward covering candle on 5 minute. It's not easy to find to wait for the in the 30 minute. Maybe I should downgrade to 15 minute, but it's this candle is like bullish. See, it's like accumulating power for this previous three candle, and now it just resume. This is consolidating. Mm. For RSI, does not mean anything. Okay. The price action keeps higher high and higher high, higher low, something. And the RSI shows around the same trend. It's not obvious, but essentially it's aligned with the price action. So there's any RSI divergence. Uh, yeah, it's another retest. This is another retest. Hmm. Get defense at the trend line. This range is so small. Unless it break out to the upper, I can see so much space. Then I can do some trade, do something. But now never trade in such a small range. Okay, effective defense. Oh, keep sideways, keep going. You never know how long you're gonna go sideways. You could, I mean, even you predict, you assume that you will drop again, flush, but I mean, it can continue sideways until the market close today. And the slash happens during, for example, Asia session or London session. So if yes and NQ in the same on the same page, then probably we can see. But yes, check the 3 minute for NQ, check the 5 minute, or vice versa. Mm. Mm. Try to grant some buffer. So even it touches the trend line or step out of the trend line a little bit, then it doesn't count because you cannot make sure you're not sure if your trend line is drawn precisely, and the market never moves precisely as your trend line. So trend line is just some assistance that you figure out the bow, but think of the trend line itself as a range. Yeah, the trend line itself is a range. So we want to see, you can see this outpacing the trend line. This exceeds the trend line. It is not, does not mean an upward breakout. Something, same thing here. It outpaces a little bit the trend line. It outpaces. It does not mean that it's downward breakout. So unless it close above the trend line, and obviously, and then start to retest. See, it gets back. Oh, but the upward momentum is decreasing. That's what we observe. We just don't want to enter into a trade too early to get fooled, get trapped by the market. Want to wait until the clear signal. Now this feels like a triangle consolidation, and overall this is uptrend. If you see this 5 minute chart is an uptrend, so probably it will break out to the top. But if you look at 30 minutes, then this is like a triple top. So if you look at 30 minute chart, probably like it goes down because this is like triple top or shoulder hand shoulder or something. I don't know. And yeah, for 5 minute chart is going down. So if we are here, somewhere here, look at 5 minute chart, then we should go long. But it arrives here, then we need to be careful. Be careful. Yeah, for ES it's clear there's a resistance here. You cannot break out to this resistance. Huh? But this what consolidation, how consolidation behaves. They are accumulating power to for the breakout. So I would not surprise if there is a breakout to the upside. While there could be a breakout to the downside. So we just need to identify, okay, it's still in the range and both directions are possible. So don't go into a trade. So even if it breaks out, it could be the liquidity speed. So need to be careful. Hey, hey, why this star is always there? What's that? Summarize. Okay, ask Google Gemini. Okay. I chatbot shortcut. Go. Okay, it looks like it's gonna break out to the side, but let's look at 30 minute. It's still here. 650, 670, 20 points. No, we'll stick to our plan, even we don't have any opportunity to enter into a trade for today. For today. This 5 minute candle, NQ is bullish while ES is bearish, but we cannot conclude anything because none of them has breakout. The breakout matters. Again, if we want to use the NQ ES divergence something, when they are in the sideways range, then regardless of their situation, it does not count too much until one of them break out and confirm the direction for the next like 5 to 10 minutes at least. Then we can enter. Oh. Sideways, 11:30. I guess the storm is coming close, especially when you see a sequential something that's not huge. That means sellers and buyers, okay, the trading volume is small. Okay, that explains why. Um, Trading volume is small. But hey, this is green. Trading volume buyers are more, but it's still like going down. Hey, why this green something? This is green. This is green, but this drops down so much. This is green, green, but mm, okay, look at yes. It's trying to break out. No, it's still in the side range. Even it arrives here, it does not mean anything because it can be bounced back. This is the level, resistance level. Breakout ENA 21, that means something. Really? No. RSI is in the middle. Buyers and sellers are in the balance. Okay, gas pushback. So it's still in the range. So it's micro, like our liquidity speed and liquidity speed, something like this. This is the liquidity speed. Sweet, sweet, so much, and then go up, but it does not exceed this trend line. and something and sweet and go up. So never go into a trade. This is dangerous. It's sweet to the up. It is sweet upside and sweet downside. So sweet upside means okay, you're gonna go down, but sweet downside, you're gonna go up. No, you never know where it goes. Overall, is control at the lower bound. It's control at the lower bound or something. It never gets back to the trend line, upper bound trend line. So that could be a signal, but this is like triangle accumulation. So it could be breakout to the top. Mm, cool. Yes, it's trying to cover. Okay, last minute. I guess no. Yes, and NQ. NQ just resume back, push back. 1 minute. Oh, it does not close underneath. Then doesn't count. Hmm. Oh, it push back. Resume back into the range. Let's see. We're gonna perform very strict. This is aggressive entry. So we're gonna apply very strict. If we opace, what about yes? Breakout to the triangle. Oh, it reduce back to the range. Mm, so chances are that I go short at the bottom. I think okay. The upward momentum is decreasing, decreasing, decreasing. So it shows downward and RSI. I don't get any signal from RSI. Come on. Okay, it resumes. Zooms back. Then if this is the case, it closed downward above this, then this is like upward liquidity speed. That's good. Hmm. See, this is circle that shows the vanish of the downward momentum, downward of the upward power for years. So that's why I say, okay, probably probably this is the peak of the shoulder, shoulder hand shoulder. If you look at 30 minutes, hand shoulder hand shoulder. Okay, now this is the peak of the shoulder. See, we'll see. buyers are still pushing. But for NQ, it covers the bearish candle, but for ES, it does not cover. ES shows cannot resist to the same level. Tidal divergence, but not big, not obvious enough. Hmm. Oh, look at this candle. This could be retest back into the range and see if this one is bearish. And okay, if it's bullish to the upside, then maybe we need to exit the trade. Oh, it's bullish. Yes, it's also bullish. God damn. It's gradually cannot go up and sideways out of the bow of this upward channel. Come on, don't fool me like this. Nobody gonna buy. That's what I perceive the market. But the sellers are not stepping in yet. Oh yes, keep moving up. Not a good sign. Sideways. Oh, keep going up. Not good. It still cannot outpace this triangle, so cannot conclude that you're gonna break out to the top. If I conclude that, then chances are that I'm gonna quit the trade. We keeps going up. Not good. Oh, it break out. Yes, break out. Looks like it's break out. Keep waiting. Okay, still sideways. Yes, keeps breaking out to the upside. NQ keeps NQ follow. Okay, let's see. 2 minutes left if it will break out. Okay, I'm gonna quit. ES is already breakout. I will probably wait until it reaches the upper bow or something, and I get one more short trade to raise the average price, and then and wait when it retest, then I just quit. Oh, is it like liquidity speed? The new candle shows gray downward. None of this was like add position. So cannot add position here because it's too little. Need to wait until it reaches the upper bound of this range. Then add a short. But it ends up this looks like something like liquidity speed. Okay, it's not that fast like this one. It takes 10 minutes going up so that people go long and then start to go short. But for ES, it's only arrive at a half. But for NQ, okay, keep going, cover this bullish candle, cover this two, then to confirm downtrend. But if this case, it looks like this is a breakout and then retest. This is a retest if you get rejected. If it does not cover. Oh, because ES has the preference to the upside. See, it does not cover. It only go half. For NQ, it looks like it's trying to cover. Can it? It get defended at ENA 9. Okay, keep going. Oh, get defended. Oh, it becomes bullish candle. It's 30 minutes something. Looks like it keeps going up. Keeps going up. The ES just cannot cover, just cannot outpace the half of the bullish candle. That's not a good sign. looks like this is a retest and gets pushed back. Uptrend keeps moving. Oh, yes, keeps going, moving upward. Oh, so this data is like, okay, it's going up. If we close something like this, okay, one more minute. If we close something like this, I probably need to exit the trade. See, yes, it's going up. Oh, one more candle. Outpace, outpace, button. Hmm. It's accumulating power and keeps moving. Oh, look at 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, we exit the trade because this looks like an upward setup. Unless it goes downward. Prove that this is a retest. With that being said, I can no, I will not go into long trade this time. This is a battlefield. This is battle. Let's see around here. I lost $60. Wait for almost 1 hour and lost $60. God damn. From 30 minutes. This is this looks like what about 15 minutes? This looks like RSI divergence, but the thing is that this is still up. There's no down, no bullish candle, something. See? But I will check 15 minutes. This is up and higher price action, but way lower. Uh, higher and way lower. And okay, the RSI divergence is concealed by this. It's concealed by this. So the a new lot of RSI divergence is accumulating. So it keeps like okay, it's trying to build another RSI divergence. The RSI divergence for this range is already concealed here. Okay, it doesn't count. It doesn't count. Oh, it has already outpacing the market open. This is accumulating power. NQ wants to go up. NQ wants to go up. Mm. It can go up, and let's see how it behaves at this range. Okay, it can continue up. Not easy to trade in this market. It can continue up as in 15 minutes, it resumes trying to build out another RSI divergence. So I need to see some price action, retest a little bit and higher high, and which is lower something. But this is my bias. It does not necessary to have another RSI divergence. I will see when it arrives here how it behaves. It probably get rejected here. 6, 7, maybe 680, 670. Okay, keep going up. Let's see 680. Keep going up. Mm. If we just slowly ramping up to the upside, then probably we don't have a chance to enter into a trade today. So today we're gonna lose $60. $60. Let me see. Trade. Yeah, $67. Ooh. Too rush. Mm. Go short at around the bottom. God damn. Okay, this trend line valley is supposed the price action going higher and higher, higher high, higher low. Yeah, go 680, and we'll see. Okay, already outpaced this one. So it looks like this is not a shoulder hand shoulder anymore because it's almost a new hand if you outpace here. 680, 680. We'll see. Oh, yes, already show downward. Now cannot go short. This is like catch the flying knife. But yes, already show some downside. See, yes. It's not breakout, so does not mean anything. Let's go short here and see. Again, we're gonna lose another $60. Oh, we are in a trade. Get into the trade. Uh, okay, yes, show some downward something and see if this candle can cover this previous one or even step out of the breakout the ENA 9 something. Oh, it's not good. Yes, doesn't show any weakness. ES cannot cover the previous one, so this is a consolidation. Consolidation to the upside. This is not good. Hmm. You're gonna break this. Oh, this is goddamn. It shows some weakness, but as long as it does not cover, it does not mean the trend reversal. So probably that I need to quit. Let me see if we retest to even, then I will quit. Okay, one more. It shows like, yeah, it continues the uptrend. Catching flying knife. Hey, make $8. Good thing is we don't lose. Is that correct? Yeah, it gonna resume the uptrend. Uh, oh, $6. Hmm, that is better than lose. Continue the uptrend, but yes, showing sideways consolidation. Breakout consolidation and probably like this trend line is still effective and boosts it to next breakout to the up. Uh, what about 15 minute and 15 minute for ES? Oh, ES keeps going up. And this is very healthy, like consolidation in a triangle and keeps breaking out. This is healthy, very healthy retest and consolidation. But for NQ, it arrives at here. We'll see. This is not easy trade for this market. So even if falls down, it keeps continuing. This rate is small, not worth any trade. Need to wait another like bow, another breakout. Ideally break out to the downside, because if you break out to the upside, I'm not sure because as time goes by, then it looks like it's not breakout anymore because this is downtrend, uptrend channel. So the trend line is going up. So if you go up and sideways, 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 then I will say, hey, it falls back into the range. God damn. Oh, what's going on? It looks like ES starts to go down. So should I go down here? Look at ES. Look at ES. No, I still go into a trade to rush, but it looks like the sellers are stepping in to take control of the market. Yes, already stepping out of the range, but NQ still in the range. But yes, has not break out the ENA 9, so I'm not sure. Let ES lead the downtrend. But this time is still like retest. It gets defended by ENA 9, so we cannot conclude anything. Cannot conclude anything. I just want to get my $60 back. Revenge trading. But this looks like, okay, it's another peak. What about, yes. Okay, is some divergence. Some divergence. No, no divergence. 15-minute chart, but price action is so high and this is so low. This is somewhat divergence, yeah. But only one wave. The timeline is not long enough. Not long enough. So it's still risky. Okay. Oh, yes, buyback. Step out of the range and resume. God, Jesus. If I back, continue the uptrend. ES. Boom. At a position. Because I think this is the peak retest to here. And but that's my assumption. So I need to quit. I need to exit the trade at the cut if things are not correct. If it ends up close above this line and cover this bearish candle, then I need to quit the trade. Lost another $60 or maybe more. But it shows some weakness. And yes, already stepping out of the range line again. This looks like a retest to me. Hmm. Oh, profit goal is here. I don't know. It's already 12. I just want to get back my $60. Oh, does it cover? Retest. Receive uptrend. There's no trading volume. And this is green. How come? And this is red. So more sellers than buyers. If this continues to go up, then I probably need to quit. Oh, it keeps go up. It fooled me again. So this is consolidation. Okay, loss. Loss 150. So it break out. And for ES, it break out early on. Break out to the upside. This is not shoulder, hand, shoulder. This is like double bottom. It breaks out to the upside. So when it retest to ENA 9 again, then we probably need to go long. But this like it already reaches this peak, so no trade. Ah, mm. And it's not like trying to refill the FVG and continue the downtrend. It's not like continue the refill. It's like going up gradually, healthy retest, healthy consolidation, and gradually moving up. The NQ is like for NQ is already reached here, so maybe I trade ES as EDA because it has already been up. So wait for it retest to somewhere here. Hmm. Let's see if it retests. This is pretty close to ENA9 and it keeps breaking. But for NQ, it looks like this is something like this. So if I go long, probably I long at the peak. A little bit hesitate. But for ES, it's already outpacing. Already outpacing. But I should wait for the retest like this. minute. Hmm? Will you retest to will you get me on board? Hmm. NQ seems still pushing up. Oh, keep pushing up. Mm-hmm. If I miss that, I miss that. But for ES is at the lower bound of the trend line and the yen and I, so I'm feeling more safe. I'm feeling safe. But for NQ, oh my god, how do I go do a long trade? Yes, it's like okay, it just consolidate, healthy consolidate. Okay, I think it's gonna go up. Movie here, something. I would rather miss. Um, something and breakout. Okay, for breakout. Okay, breakout to the upside. See if we can stay outside of the range and really confirm the breakout. Otherwise, it's gonna be fake. And yes, it's gonna show some weakness. It shows some two sequentially two weakness to fool me. 3 minutes? No, it looks like it cannot go up anymore. Or you want to retest? Really retest to get me on board. One more tick. Oh, okay. Let's see how yen and I defends. So eventually we get on board. Oh my god. Get rejected here. Oh, it seems ES is covering. Is leading a trend reversal. Not yet. Even is here, and it's a backward test. Let's see. Hmm. I should be more conservative to set the limit order here. How come it just break out here and still test? Okay, let's see this candle. For NQ, it looks like it's consolidation and keeps going up. For ES, because this candle, downward candle is too huge, cover this too. I'm not sure. Okay, looks like, yeah, it receives uptrend. Good. NQ is reaching the peak. Anytime it can fall. Yes, it's something like this one, but even this one does not mean that it will have a reversal. You will have double top, right? The buyer will push again. Oh, 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 oh. See this candle if it bounce back and see if yen and I can defense. If no, then ENA 21 should perform the defense. I'll add more position at ENA 21. Again, ES step out of the range, and NQ looks like sideways in the range. This happened multiple times. So it break out something and consolidate. So you should not outpace this one. Just give it some time. Triangle, this is pretty healthy to me. Yeah, this is pretty healthy. Yeah, so you should continue to go. But short momentum, bearish momentum keeps accumulating. Yeah, trigger ENA 21, and we'll see. Hmm. See if NQ can fall out of the range. No. Then it seems this is the retest. retest to almost ENA 21, ENA 21, and almost. So this one is a nice retest to me. Mhm. Yeah, NQ shows some strength to the upside, reduced uptrend. Yes, still want to go down. Oh, a new candle. Okay, a new candle. See, the previous bullish candle cannot cover the bearish candle. So, but it's still in the range. So I don't know. Assume this is gonna be the test. The end of the retest. Very push down. Will push back? Um, let's see. 3 minutes. Looks like it's keep moving. Oops. It keeps going down. That's not good. Hmm. That means the downtrend happened. Let's see the behavior, the reaction on ENA 21. Oh, catching flying knife. Hmm. Yes, it's showing some downward. So let's see NQ. No. Hmm. God damn, Jesus. I just set a stop loss somewhere here. I should set a stop loss here and stick to the rule. Then I will not get fooled by this. Now it's like liquidity, pretty much like a retest and continue the uptrend. But there's no that much space in the uptrend. God, yes, full meal again. Oh, that's not good. It keeps going up. I think the downtrend starts. No. Yeah, this is reaching the peak. The trend line is reaching the peak. Yeah, outpace. Hmm. So it bounce back. Let's see this candle. If this candle, yes, is bouncing back and anchor is something. It looks like anchor is resuming the downtrend. See, it's resuming a downtrend. So so yen and night becomes the defense of the upward power of the buying power. Uh, for NQ, oh my God, it's still above yen and 9 and yen 21 is totally uptrend. How do I go short? Because I just compare with yes, always fool me, shows some downward intention. Maybe today I just cannot reference the yes, because there is some divergence. They are not completely on the same page. We'll see. Yes, don't fool me again. It gets rejected at this line. For NQ, it gets rejected here. Yeah, that's fair. The buyers are depending on this level. So probably I should take profit right there. But the ENA 9, ENA 21C is showing some downward intention. But for ES, oh God. But for NQ, I don't see any downward intention. It's going up all day. Unless the couple of minutes market open. Mm. It's very difficult to push it down because buyers are so strong today. Okay, it steps out of the range. Let's close underneath here to confirm the down. To confirm the down, not sure if you get rejected here. Oh, it seems it gets rejected. Oops, keeps going down. Let's see. Yes, you're gonna retest to ENA9. Hmm. Oh, we'll. Okay. I think this is the end of the retest. Retest to ENA21, ENA9, and continue to go down. Yeah, and NQ will follow. We'll go back. Oh, this shows. Okay. I don't know. It's not clearly. Let's see 3 minute. Here and here is like reverse cup, something. Let's see. 3 minute. No, it does not mean anything. For 3 minutes, the EN9 and 21 shows something to the downside. It's not like upward direction anymore. Okay, yes, already break out to the down. NK will hopefully follow. Please. NQ still want to push up. Okay, Nasdaq market people all want to buy. Buyers are so strong. Mm. Retest. Cannot retest. Cannot arrive at here. Retest to ENA9. Nice. But this, you need to outpacing and let ENA9 cross ENA21. Hmm. No, unless it reach the peak over here, then I can add position. It's not good to increase position at this time, but for NQ is not consolidated yet. Even we have this covering shows downward strong momentum. It has not crossed the ENA 21, but yes, already crossed. And it looks like yen 21 or yen 9 is good defense. But this line shows a good defense, and that's why I'm concerned. This why. So buyers are strong here, defending here, unless it break out this. To confirm Dow Chen. I'm gonna retest. Okay, finally it reduced Dow Chen. Not sure how long you're gonna go, but I'm not sure if I should set a stop loss here to secure my profit. But this time it's still consolidating. Cover, come on, cover, cover, come on. Hmm. Oh, things not looking good. Somebody defend here. I'm gonna bounce back, resume uptrend. But yes, it's retesting yen 9. Yeah, retest, finish. So keep going down. So we have got a lesson here. So it shows strong downward momentum and get resisted here at this sideways and bounce back, continue the uptrend. So we see the our momentum keeps decreasing, but the downward keeps decreasing. The thing is the trading volume becomes smaller. So even this something we are not sure if we replay the setup here. So it could probably like bounce back and keep continue and keep going up. But for yes, see, it's already showing a downward something. So the yen 9 is a good defense for the retest. It's just for NQ. Then it does not show something like this. Something like this. That yen I coming close to the yen 21 and eventually cross. So there's still risky. It's still risky. Oh, 2 minutes left for this 5 minute candle. I hope this 5 minute candle can cover the previous bullish candle to confirm the downtrend. But it looks like no. There's gonna be it ended up to be a bullish candle, then we need to exit the trade. If it's a bearish candle but do not cover, then we can wait for the next candle. It looks like the buyer is strong. See for yes, the outbreak the yen 9. Oh, Yeah, it cover ENA 9. For NQ, it does not cover. But for ES, it covers. Almost covers. I don't know. It's big enough. The position is big enough, so do not increase. Nice defense. Oh, one more candle. Oh, this candle is upward. Not good. Gonna flatten. But let's see until it reaches the peak. We're gonna resume uptrend. Something. Cause some resistance here. Okay, retest to here and keep moving down. Yeah, nice defense here. But buyer still pushing up. So double top. I hope this is double top. If it exceeds this, I need to exit this trade. Exceeds ENA 9 resume. Okay, this indicates a potential resume uptrend. But this does not outpace. It's huge. If you close above this something, I need to exit this trade. Can you? Finally, yes, shows some downward. Seller step back in. Oh, it's already 18. Big enough position. Cannot add more. Retest to here and continue down. That's reasonable. Break out of the chain. Retest something. Yeah, let's see. So there is some, yeah, there is some resistance here. So probably like, I need to take profit here. 18, not greedy, realistically speaking. I'm gonna retest to even if it's down, it will reach this. If it's downtrend all the time, we can always re-enter after we exit the trade here. But if it's retest, then retest to previous sideway. It's like something like this. It retest to the previous sideway. So that's my assumption. Okay, yes, already covered the previous one that confirms style chain. Okay, NQ just follow. Hopefully. Reverse cup, reverse cup, something. Okay. Mm. I want to see it close at the same level to finish, to make it complete of the reverse cup. If it does not close there, then we'll see, oh, what's going on? Last 10 minutes, strong downward momentum. By PT. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on. So it looks like strong downward momentum starts. Let's see the compression of this one. Looks like a fresh starts before the market close. That's good. Oh, breaks down. Unit 21. Alive is this one, just in case it retests and secure part of my profit. I don't like this long candle. I'm not sure where to set, where to set. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? I can set. Actually, I can set on 3 minute chart, so I can set pretty much here. Oh, wait a minute. Come close. Come on. We will get bounce back. Get bounce back by unit 21. I think it's continue downward. See yes. If you kick me out, I will trade yes. Huh. Seriously. Uh, yes, still like complete, like handle cup, for NQ. What's going on for NQ? Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, yes, it's moving far away. CES is working hard. Push right there. So This feels like a flush momentum. Yes, it's back test right here and keep moving down. I button. Okay, this is downtrend. Only 5 minutes. Let's switch to 3 minutes and sell like this. Where is it? Oh, oh. Hmm. Potential bounce back because it reaches here. Hmm. Okay, this is a little bit risky. I mean, in great volatility, last 4 minutes of the market close. Um, I'm not sure if we continue the downtrend or something. So I'll probably like take profit somewhere. It reduce. It retest to ENA 21. But for ES, it's very obvious. Great momentum to the downside. And if it breaks out here, the next battlefield is somewhere here. Looks like currently the ENA 21 is defending. CES. Okay, keep going down. ES keep going down. Hmm. I believe it will retest to ENA 21 or ENA 9 something if the downtrend continues. But if it's reversal, then I don't lose too much. Well, let's see 3 minutes. Oh, 3 minutes. Oh, oh, it gets ejected so long. Uh-oh, it gets me in a train. Oh, then next is a ENA 9. So probably you will arrive ENA 9. Oh, it looks like it's bounce back, something like this. Mm-hmm. Last minute, last minute. Oh, okay. Get the last trade in profit. But I think it's continued downside. But yes, shows upward. I think yes, gonna retest ENA9 something, but NQ just retest. I don't know. 15, 16, 17, 200, 460. What's that? 407, 730. I three, 730. Oh, three, oh, something. 350 and 300, 410. So 312 something. Let's see if it's correct. Balance. Oh, not this one. 300. Nice. So overall, we are making money today. Um, I'm making money today, just not that much because I do a couple of loose trade. So the downward actually happens. The downward actually happens at almost the market close and something. If we can grab this opportunity, hello, this is only the only one trade. But if I get out early and see this is very small. If we get out early, we have a lot of volatility here. While it's dangerous. But when we get into the market, it's already somewhere like here. And this is a small volatility. And it looks huge, but compared with the early morning market open, and this is pretty small. So this is more like gambling. I'm not gonna dare for this volatility. I gonna put 1 micro as position if I gonna go into trade 1 micro. Cause if you put too big enough position, then if you are correct, okay, then you pass your evaluation in 1 day, even with 3 micro. Trust me, with this range, 3 micro can help you pass the 3 to 5 micro can help you pass the evaluation. But if you are in the wrong direction, you're doomed. You're gonna blow account. So I don't want to I don't want to gamble. Steady. So even I lose a couple of trades at the very beginning of the day. You can see something like 160 or 185, something. But I make 269 and 260. The thing is, I was once making like 500. I don't take profit. Otherwise, I can make more. So the lesson is like I need to take profit whenever I think, okay, it's right there. It's right there. Don't be greedy. Say if I can get a 18 position and up to this point where I said that I probably like 1,500 or something, right? Yeah, I'm still too greedy. The more greedy, the less you earn. Don't be greedy and be conservative unless you see this is a clear evidence that okay, yes, is showing downward coming close and some huge downward momentum like this and then push back and something. And here we can get into the trade. But I'm not gonna get into trade something. I'm gonna get into trade here because the retest, you see ESD has a huge retest like this. But for NQ, the retest is small. So um so after we get clear enough signal, we should not go. We should don't risk our capital. So if I don't lose the first two trades, I'll make more. So be conservative. Unless a clear confirmation or evidence show up, do not enter into a trade. Do not guess. Do not try. Once you get into a trade, you have bias, and bias are gonna impact your judgment or decision making. Okay, that's all the lesson I learned for today. Thank you very much.